Hello guys, nice to meet you again and again. Good night, good evening, good morning, and good afternoon. Depends upon you in which part of the world you live. So, today's topic is how to solve a pyraminx, also known as the pyramid cube. So, first of all, I want to tell you the steps. I have told you in the previous video about the steps that are, I will tell you. So, let's get started. This is, as we all know, this is the right triangle, a small right triangle. And if it is right, we all know that it should be left. So, up, and of course, it's back. So, I've or and if I want to move it counterclockwise, like I am moving right counterclockwise, and now left counterclockwise, up counterclockwise. So I will call that R prime, L prime, U prime, and similarly back prime. So there are these coordinates also, but they ain't need to be shuffled because it's already been solved. So let's get started. So first this needs to be shuffled. So let's shuffle it. So first of all, we have to solve these three centers, which are this, this, and this. Blue, yellow, yellow. They will tell us which color this side would be. So the first thing we will do is to solve the centers. So let's get started. So we have to rotate each and every side to get the same color on each side. So these two colors are the same, but the top color is not there. So we will bring them down. So now we will rotate the left side. As a yellow center is there, this side will be yellow. And then let's move on to the back side. These are two green, so we will rotate the right side. Now all have been Now all the centers have been arranged. Now we move on to the corners. So we have to just rotate the corners. This is orange. So now we will need another orange. Now another orange, again orange. So here we will need it green, and now all are automatically being completed. Now we move on to the edge pieces. We will solve any side of our choice. So I would like to start with the orange. So first of all, we have to look for an orange on the back side. So there's an orange green. So this needs to come over here. So as it is in the right place, I will push that down here, push it up, and again at its own place. Now it's been done. Another piece we have to find orange. There's an orange blue. This is also at the right place. So we will push it down here, down and up. Now the last piece is left, and we have to find the orange and yellow. So it's right here. It's also at the right place. So we will push it down here, down and again up. So now if this is formed that these are headlights but not of the same color, you will take a color which has only one piece to be left and one piece is at the wrong place. So we will solve this side first. No problem if this side is scrambled. So we will solve this as we solve orange. So if here's the piece which needs to come over here, we will take it down, up, down, up. And now only one piece left, and it's also like that only. So we will do it like that. So now, so now these are the headlights of the same color. So they need to be clockwise. They need to be clockwise. So what we will do R prime, counterclockwise up means U prime, R. So now as orange is on the left side means it can be moved clockwise for the pyraminx to be solved. So what we will do R prime, U counterclockwise, also known as U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, and R. And so a cube is now solved, or it's a pyramid also. It's a pyramid also, and it has many names. So as it is now solved, so bye. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.